There's a brilliance inside of this. There's a brilliance inside of this. This might be, I might have to go ahead and add this to collection. Welcome to the Incentive Collection, the Tesla edition. And today we have Nishane's Colognise. I'm screwing that up. But here it is, okay? Colognisé. I don't know. We're going to get straight into this bite. Unsheath this thing. Good juice in there. Look at that. Now, we got a citrusy, floral, white floral, aromatic, green, fresh spice, musky, and floral scent here. I smelled this in Istanbul, but I don't remember it. So we're going to go ahead and get it straight into the spirit. There it is. Bam. Coming out. Ooh. This smells like suntan lotion. Like right off the rip. I'm not even going to waste time trying to explain it. It's nice. Very citrusy, very white floral, very green. I like this. I like this a lot. This is, see, what people don't seem to understand is like, you don't need your fragrances to all be Super Saiyan 3, Gogeta. Like sometimes they just need to be fresh, you know, and aromatic and light and simple. I like this a lot. Like a lot. Oh man. This is nice. This is very nice. Let's go ahead and get into the notes here. Let's get into the notes. And the cool thing is like, you know, at halftime, you can switch it up. You don't have to be in this all day. You can change it into something else. So I like this. A lot of alcohol because it is a perfume, a cologne. So it has a lot of alcohol in it. Let's check out some of these notes here. We got bergamot. Definitely can smell that. It is a bright bergamot. Green tea, jasmine, lemon. You can. I think it's the lemon. The lemon, that roundness of the sharpness, the roundness of the citrus. I think it's the lemon. You got grapefruit, lily of the valley in the middle notes. The base notes is neroli, musk, and vetiver. And I can definitely smell the vetiver. The vetiver is, I think, what gives it the more traditional slash, like familiar aspect to it, right? I like this. I like it a lot. I would rock this. This is definitely something that you would put. This just smells like going to the beach. Like what, like in your mind, like, hey, I'm preparing to go to the beach, if you like that kind of thing, or I'm preparing to go to the pool. This is what you would smell like. And I'm getting less of the, I'm getting a lot less of the suntan aspect of it. I think it's starting to really mature, and the vetiver, the base is starting to come out. I like this a lot. This is nice. Nishane did it again. Nishane doesn't have any bad fragrances, guys. Like, I mean, the whole house is just outstanding. It's just a matter of preference. The whole house is outstanding. So that's it. Let me know what you guys think. Have you tried this? If you haven't, definitely go and try it. I like this a lot, man. I think we're going to have to revisit this one. I like this. Anyway, that's the Tesla talk. I appreciate you guys for stepping by. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I can't stop smelling this. That's to me, that's the hallmark of a great scent. If I can't stop smelling it, we have something special. So anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.